Hello, guys. My topic of discussion is what is the difference between grammar and rhetoric? A question is asked that there is a difference between grammar and rhetoric. And what is the difference? Frequently, I am asked this question, and I want to explain that grammar actually deals with the structure of a sentence and some rules of writing a sentence, without which a sentence cannot be correct. And what is rhetoric? Rhetoric deals with elegance, beauty, and the ornament of a sentence. Grammar concerns only with some rules without which a sentence cannot be written. It is used both in writing and speaking. Okay? But in the case of rhetoric, you must keep it in mind that where grammar ends, rhetoric begins. Actually, rhetoric is nothing but the elegance, the beauty of a sentence. For example, I am giving you a sentence. For example, she has, she has deep, beautiful eyes. Okay? I have used two adjectives simultaneously. Deep, beautiful. Two adjectives are never connected by and. So, I have given a comma. She has deep, beautiful eyes. But rhetorically, the writers will write, she has eyes like forest poles. She has eyes like forest poles. When like forest poles, it is called simile actually. Later I will discuss. But the question which is frequently asked, what is the difference between grammar and rhetoric? Rhetoric is nothing but the ornament of a sentence. It deals with beauty and elegance of a sentence. And grammar deals with only the structure of a sentence. Some rules on which the sentence depends. Clear? She has deep, beautiful eyes. She has eyes like forest pools. Okay? Another sentence I am giving. For example, number two. He is very innocent. Full stop. He is very innocent. But a poet or a writer will write. A poet or a writer will write, he is as innocent as a child. Full stop. He is as innocent as a child. Adjective, preceded by as, followed by as. So it is called simile, but it is a rhetoric. Clear? And it is the example of positive degree. It is the example of positive degree. So here is the difference between rhetoric and grammar. This is in short. Another example I am giving, because this question I face frequently from my students. What is the difference between grammar and rhetoric? Another sentence I am giving. Number 3. For example, the water of the sea is blue. Sorry. The water of the sea is blue. Full stop. So it is the predicative adjective blue. Now, a writer or a poet will write not in this way. He or she may write, the water of the sea is as blue as the sky. Full stop. As blue as the sky. For example, as blue as the sky is the example of simile. It is an example of rhetoric. And it is also the example of positive degree. It is grammar. But what is the rhetoric? Rhetoric is as blue as the sky. It is the comparison. Grammatically correct and rhetorically it is ornamental, polished, elegant, etc. Clear? Now, fourth example I am giving. She is very cruel. You see that cruel is the predicative adjective and very is adverb, because it is modifying the adjective cruel. Okay? But a writer may write, or a poet may write, or compose a line just like this. She is more cruel than Lady Macbeth. She is more cruel than Lady Macbeth. So grammatically it is an example of comparative degree. Grammatically it is an example of comparative degree, but it is more elegant, it is more beautiful when she is compared to Lady Macbeth than Lady Macbeth. It is the example of comparative degree, grammatically comparative degree, but rhetorically it is simile. Okay? Another example I am giving, that is the fifth example, Then I will complete the difference between grammar and rhetoric. Fifth example. For example, the child is very simple. The child is very simple. Just I am underlining simple. It is the predicative adjective. It is the predicative adjective. Then what will you write? The child. Wait a bit. The child is as simple. The child is as simple as a flower. Full stop. As simple as a flower. As simple as a flower. It is the comparison, degree of comparison, and it is the degree of comparison, and as simple as a flower, it is the degree of comparison or positive degree, but it is the example of rhetoric. Clear? And perhaps I have cleared your doubt, and I have explained the difference between rhetoric and grammar, and I think that you will never confuse between rhetoric and grammar. Here lies the difference. Where grammar ends, rhetoric begins. Now, my dear boys and girls, I am able to give you the content, and I should not remind you again and again that please subscribe my channel, please like it and share it, and don't skip, because I have given you 5 examples. Don't skip. Try to see or watch the video from the beginning to the end. That's the end of my lecture, and please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thanking all of you.